trying to get some new information for you that's also coming in. In fact, a severe thunderstorm warning, current location for Tulsa County until 11:30. So that's some new information that's just coming in. That includes the city of Bixby that is in that severe thunderstorm warning, and that has just come across my Storm Shield radar app. So that's one of the great advantages of the Storm Shield radar app, is that it gives you those specific warnings for your city, and that's because it does the same principle as the National Weather Service. It picks out these polygons and it warns for those areas. Sometimes I'll hear, well, it didn't go off and I live in a certain part of a county, and I live in Tulsa County. Well, if it was in the southern part of Tulsa County, it's not going to go off if the polygon was across the northern part of the county.